514. Bye.
Where ni nonjo. Se eba oye gwe manto mu a wo TV stations bebre ho. Want to say bia momozi no hwe Coastal TV. Na me ayadom Coastal TV so ye ko digital. Na chele bibia wo bia e wotuma hwe. Nsem bia bere TV a was baba. Nchichim bia ehia bia so was baba. Na nji sam bia so a mo waso ate. Na wo so etumi hu de obo edwuma was amo. Se eba Coastal TV a na bebe papa obia ongodo onhwe Coastal TV. Where ni nonjo. Se eba oye gwe manto mu a wo TV stations bebre ho. Want to say obia momozi no hwe Coastal TV. Na me ayadom Coastal TV so ye ko digital. Na chele bibia wo bia e wotuma hwe. Nsem bia bere TV a was baba. Nchichim bia ehia bia so was baba. Na nji sam bia so a mo waso ate. Na wo so etumi hu de obo edwuma was amo. Se ba Coastal TV a na bebe papa obia ongodo onhwe Coastal TV. Where ni nonjo. Se eba oye gwe manto mu a wo TV stations bebre ho. Want to say obia momozi no hwe Coastal TV. Na me ayadom Coastal TV so ye ko digital. Na chele bibia wo bia e wotuma hwe. Nsem bia bere TV a was baba. Nchichim bia ehia bia so was baba. Na nji sam bia so a mo waso ate. Na wo so etumi hu de obo edwuma was amo. Se ba Coastal TV a na bebe papa obia ongodo onhwe Coastal TV. Where ni nonjo. Se eba oye gwe manto mu a wo TV stations bebre ho. Want to say obia momozi no hwe Coastal TV. Na me ayadom Coastal TV so ye ko digital. Na chele bibia wo bia e wotuma hwe. Nsem bia bere TV a was baba. Nchichim bia ehia bia so was baba. Na nji sam bia so a mo waso ate. Na wo so etumi hu de obo edwuma was amo. Se ba Coastal TV a na bebe papa obia ongodo onhwe Coastal TV. Where ni nonjo. Se eba oye gwe manto mu a wo TV stations bebre ho. Want to say obia momozi no hwe Coastal TV. Na me ayadom Coastal TV so ye ko digital. Na chele bibia wo bia e wotuma hwe.
Kosi can tell you Coastal TV is now on digital. Catch it on 514. Watch Coastal TV, the best news.
Where ni nonjo.
Let's go. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make the dough just to feed my own. I go do it.
The sun rises on the last day of the Ghana Grows Empower 360 program. Over 5 unforgettable days, young Ghanaian creatives have turned their vision into action. Today, we're not just closing the program, but we're starting a new beginning. Remember, this program is brought to you by MasterCard Foundation in partnership with the Springboard Roadshow Foundation. My name is Yabita, and we're getting started.
Produce it, process it, distribute it.
It's the beginning of the end, but spirits are high. With one final burst of energy, participants step into this moment, ready to lead, to share, and to celebrate. It's the last day, and we get to speak to some of our participants. I've gotten Mary here, and I'm going to have a quick conversation with Mary. Mary, what are your emotions towards today? I mean, you've been here from Monday, today is Friday, today is the last day. How are you feeling?
I feel so sad and excited at the same time. The reason I'm sad is because I wish it's like it's up to a month, or the days should have been extended a bit for us. That's why I'm sad. And I'm so excited that I've come to learn a lot about makeup and other things too.
What is that one thing that you have discovered about yourself? Something that you didn't even know you could do, but through the Ghana Grows Empower 360 program, you've been able to discover that part of you.
I never knew I can also become a star. And I never knew that I can also do something for living. Because first I was thinking that because I'm not able to go to school for this thing, that's all. So my work is to farm. But now I've realized that it's not about school. You can also do a handwork and other things and also become famous. So I'm really grateful that this opportunity has come on our way.
Truly, Mary says she's grateful this opportunity has come her way. Thank you, Mary. I'm wishing you all the best. Stella, it's saying. Makeup session oh yeah the crossing you me draw my eyebrow cry. But me person me busa say since I was started programming mobile Monday and that Friday and then your last day. Say now we feel after this program. We feel say I feel na we na we fie back no. Obetimi aye say makeup obetimi aye no with more confidence and access we dey kasa chem.
Yeah, I'm really proud, very, very proud, because before no, na me nimpo say near so pencil mu, and I say near so brush mu. Me try say me disi many so feel in person me suya makeup. My co baby BG 3,000, BG 4,500. But the many G say springboard. I'ma watch much me free. I'm a free starter pack. To me feel proud. Some means me makeup. I'm a quite a bontin. No be better na me anymore. Making me full makeup. I'm a panel.
Empower 360 is more than a creative workshop. It is a launchpad for leadership. In this final session, participants deepen their understanding of ethical leadership, career readiness, and customer service excellence. Dinah, so today we've learned a lot. I mean, within the week we have learned so much. What have you learned about leadership, and what do you hope, or what kind of leader do you hope to become?
Please, when I came to the program, I didn't know anything about leadership. But when I come, I have seen how Ghana Grows people have brought people from outside to come and educate us on how, if somebody wants to run a business, the person should go about. But one thing I've learned is that if you want to start a business with the people, you have to have patience and then understanding with your people, so that at the end of the day, what you are, your vision that you want with the people, and then the patience that you have with the people, you'll be able to achieve your aim. That's what I've learned.
And what kind of leader do you hope to become?
Well, I want to become a beautician. Like, I've come to learn about makeup artistry. So that is the kind of leader that I'm looking up to. So that one day I'll also have...
Koeusi can tell you Coastal TV is now on digital. Catch it on 514. Watch Coastal TV, the best news.
Yo, attention, I'm a penny medical. One for fire service, now why critical. Coastal TV live on digital. 514, could your viper say so? And I'm a monster. Let's go.